Hi guys, today I am going to be doing my first ever episode of Alien Isolation. It's possibly not going to be 1 hour long, but I'm going to play the game, Survivor Mode, because, let's just get a warm up. It's been a long time since I played this game. And today I am wearing my alien shirt to celebrate this day. Vader's over here, chilling. Hi, Vader. That little black blob right here, that's Vader. Ew.
Thank you very much. You want to help me get in your room?
I'm scared. Get myself a survivor look. Make myself look mad. Make myself look mad. Because I am Doctor. Hold on a second. No. Camera setup is awful. Okay. Stop showing up. Actually, I need more food, please. I stress eat. What I stress eat? What are those? Can I rob from suitcase? I am one with the suitcase. The alien will never find me now. Yeah! Click. Charge back. This just looks like a battery. Yes! Give me that. Yes! 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 Oh, hey, wait a minute. Can I just leave right now?
Who's in the bathroom?
Oh, God. Alright, now before I head outside of that door, I'm going to see if he's there. Nope. Run. There he is. There she is, actually, because all xenomorphs are females.
Yes.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Yo, your daughter died.
Oh,
she's in there.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go.
Yeah.
Kick everything. Getting greedy. Let's not say hi to the alien. What was that? Oh, he's running! Look at her. Look at her. She's so pretty. Yeah. Okay, what do I have? Molotov, noisemaker, and some flares.
Hey, you're fine.
Take that!
You could have stayed there all day. I wouldn't have cared.
Here, Christopher, here. Wonder when she's gonna come over. Oh! Oh, hello, beautiful. Hello, big, beautiful girl. Oh, she
Oh, Mom said
Don't look over
you
here.
a whore.
Enter that room.
Mom said you smell like a whore.
Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't.
You like that?
Oh, don't come over, don't come over, don't come over.
Christopher smelled like a French whore, so he brushed his teeth.
Derek is recording.
No, 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 no. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away.
That is your beautiful dress.
That's your school dress. Okay, look at me. School dress. That's the dress for nice occasions.
Hey, I found
No?
Pixar, Pixar, save me, save me.
But she has to take it.
Luxo, come on, please.
Don't put it in
Oh
the
my
laundry,
God,
everything else
he cut
is
your
all
wire,
over
he
stuff.
cut your power.
Special.
Here, let me see.
Guys, the alien has killed Luxo.
We will wash
Oh.
it because that's its first
Oh,
wash.
what's that?
You know what I mean?
Fat boys. What are they gonna do? What you gonna do when they enter the food buffet restaurant? Obviously, they're gonna eat everything. Except there's no way they're gonna match that thing in an eating contest. No siree. Basically, I just called you alien.
Now you just gotta get yourself a cup of water.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Don't come over. Don't come over. I am honestly terrified right now. I do not like the sudden stops and noises. Here we go. Do I have anything? No! I may have just killed myself. You know what? No, that's it. It's time to face it like a strong, independent woman. You know what? I am Amanda Ripley. I am a strong, independent woman. Ethanol, yes. Ethanol, alcohol, yes. Point. Hey, alien. Hey, alien. Yeah, I just hissed just like you.
What?
There he is. Mike, Michaelo. Oh! Ah! Eat flamethrower! Really? Do you have to push me, then run off? That's no respect for a lady. Yeah, I reloaded. Now what you gonna do? Possibly you won't be able to find me. Never gonna find me! Lockdown the stairwell failed. Select 2 key cards fail. Well, I'm not concerned with any of those. I just want to get out of here. I'm a wizard. Oh no, I heard him drop from a vent. Where? Oh! He's in there! No, thank you. I know it. I might be dead soon.
Being a weirdo.
Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me. Please don't see me. If you see me, this video's over. If you see me, we're through. I don't know why. This may be the most scariest episode I've ever done. Comment down below if you want to see more of this game. Please have alcohol in here. No, because the space station is a heartless monster. Which contains a heartless monster. I think I'm all in the clear. Oh, hi. Yes, you, my best friend. What's up here? Aw, I can't make it in there. Light. Stay in the light. If you stay in the light, he won't attack. Pro tip for alien isolation. I have several tips to survive the alien. 1. Hide from the alien. 2. If you have a flamethrower, shoot the alien. And then 3. Run as fast as you can when you see it. Or when it sees you. Run as fast as you can and for as long as you can. Because as soon as... no. When I hear him hissing like that, come at me, bro. I got a flamethrower. I can no longer use that. Now I gotta divide my rations carefully. Oh, he's in that vent. No, thank you. Nope, 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 nope. What? Where are you? Oh! I don't like this thing. I don't like this creature. I do not like this creature. Well, I do like this creature, but it's when he's attacking me. Stay back, my cousin! Yes, as changelings are cousins to the Xenomorph.
Really?
Come on, one more guy. Please have flamethrower for. Grab them! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Crafty!
Yeah. Okay.
Don't you dare come in this room! Go. Why don't I just escape him alien style, huh? Why don't I just use the fence and jump down here? What have I done? I forgot I didn't have him! Let's try that again! I was so close! Hold on, I'll be back. I will be back as soon as I get to the end. Okay, so up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Okay, 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 okay. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's do this. Zero Dragons. All right, which side are you going from? That's what I'm worried about. What side are you coming from? Because you know the enemy could always just walk in any direction. Yeah! 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 Yeah. Just run in and everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine. Ew, I won't eat an alien that rules. Abort, abort, abort! Abort the mission, abort the mission! Operation Hackerman initiated. Okay, E, V. Weird ding-a-ling. Yes! I think I'm safe as long as I shut down the stairwell. I think I'm capable of walking. Oh, come on. Ow! So disrespectful. Oh, I forgot. I just ran out of things to defend myself. Except for a flare. Vent, vent, hide, hide, hide. I just ran. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Move. Move. Moo. 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 A mooey. Moo. I swear if he's behind that door again, I swear I will exit the video. Nope. You go over there. You got flared! Yes, yes, run, go, 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 score, score, yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Wow. That was intense. Especially that last moment. Oh my god. I am so sorry that you had to see that. Oh my god. There's no rest for Derek. Is there? Oh. Let's go! In the next video. Bye-bye! Oh, no, wait a minute, no. That would be copyright. See you all in the next video, I guess.